back with another video. The van's not behind us, but the truck is, because we need to get this truck ready for some life changes that are happening in December. So, with that being said, we have a very empty bed right now with no cover on it. We need a cover on it. Because unlike SUVs and like the 4Runner we had, this has no storage unless you cover this thing. Mm-hmm. We ended up going with a Diamondback Switchback. And we've had great reviews of this. It's made here in America. It should be easy to install.
We hope so.
So it's like 4 clamps and then 2 towards the tailgate to lock it down. Now they have an HD as well too, which is something that we looked into before, but we don't plan on carrying a lot of weight on top of this at all. So that's why we went with the switchback, because we can fold it up, which we'll show you. That way if we want to put bikes in the back or if we have something to move, this one's a lot easier to take on and off as well. But we went with the switchback because we're not going to be carrying a very big dynamic load on top of it, because nothing's going to be on top. It's all going to be inside of the bed.
Yeah, it's more just for waterproofing and then securing everything that we're going to be having in the bed.
Yep. So because we are only going to have the van and the truck here soon. So let's get to installing this. So this is how it ended up coming. It came on this pallet, and this came in a box, but we went ahead and took it out. And you can kind of see where it says like mid panel and where the tailgate is supposed to be. Then we're going to open this up, and it has a box full of stuff in there that we're going to read the instructions with. But this is pretty much the whole unit. And this was 80 pounds just for this. But on the pallet with the box, it was 156. So they say you can do it with one person, but luckily we have 2. So we are going to start unwrapping this and getting it ready to put on the truck bed. I don't think either one of us brought a knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. To see that, that's for sure.
It's supposed to be tough, but not the underside at least.
I know, right? Just not the whole metal. So, this says, this has a start here box. So you're going to open that up and see what's in it.
Owner's kit.
Owner's kit. Looks like a whole bunch of information if you need it. Ooh. They also have some ultra weld black silicone. Oh, I bet you this is for the gasket for the tailgate. For the tailgate. And then the butyrol. Is that what this is?
That's the waterproofing stuff.
Yeah. Perfect. So I think.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the clamps. Yep. On one side. Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
A minute. Got these are the clampies. Anything else?
Nope.
Nope.
That's
Okay. The 4 main clamps. We've got some tape. We've got some ultra weld black silicone gasket maker. And then I'm assuming the instructions are in here.
Probably.
Yep. Awesome. So pretty good instructions, it looks like. And then owner's manual. Not worried about that, you know.
Yeah.
So pretty much required. It's just a ratchet and then a 9/16 socket. Probably going to be for obviously clamping these guys down.
Yeah.
And we'll have to see. I think maybe we put this up front.
Maybe up front and down here. I think we saw where those leaky points.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
I think it has instructions on here too. And so the bulkhead.
Weather strips to be installed. Some required additional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If anything, we want the front of the truck for sure, because we know that's where a lot of the leaky points will be. Yeah. There we go.
Top of the bulkhead. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
Interesting. All right.
Yep. So, gonna do this. Oh, it's definitely got some
Good pictures.
good pictures of like what you need to do.
Gonna clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Rubbing alcohol or glass cleaner.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Bulkhead off. Sitting right down here right now, so we're just gonna clean this whole thing back here and put that tape down. Let's see how bad I can jack this up. So we're gonna try to lift this and put it under there at the same time, which is gonna probably be hard.
Yeah, there's a good gap under there.
Yeah. It flush, at least with this side. This whole thing, it does round out a little bit on towards the cab side, but try to get it as flush as you can on the bed side instead.
And just roll it out, stick it on. There's a nice self-adhesive on the back.
Yeah.
It's pretty sticky. Good job, that looks good.
Try.
Go all the way across. And we'll finish it up underneath here. As this one doesn't lift as much.
I can go lift that one.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll get there.
Yeah. We got the bed rail back installed. And this guy we're actually going to do at a later time because we want to take the truck on a trip right now. So we're going to do this sealant because in the corners, it is very see-through.
Yeah.
So we are wanting to make sure that we get this as watertight as possible. So we are going to end up doing this as well. All right, time to lift this bad boy up there.
Yep.
You might want to move your phone just in case. Take the instructions with me.
Yeah.
There we go.
I know, it's a little wobbly. Ready?
Sure. No. Okay.
Cool.
Boo Boo, what are you doing?
I'm inside, I got it.
You're gonna push me right off this truck.
I'm trying not to fall off myself.
Slide it through right now.
It does come with the ratchet straps, which is kind of nice. Or the nylon straps.
Yeah. Just make sure to not walk off it.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Some more stuff.
It's got a nice texture to it.
Yeah.
All right. A little bit more.
Yep. Got it over the edge.
Okay. Maybe back a little.
I think it's right up there. On that, I'm like pretty flush.
Okay.
I feel like.
I feel like mine is now.
Okay.
We'll go around and check it.
Yeah. Because then we'll flip this.
Yep. Look at, yeah. I love how it feels.
Yeah.
It's that like rhino texture, like bumpy.
Yeah.
Grippy. Yeah.
What we're trying to do now is line up on each side where it's pretty level too.
Back some.
So it's just going to be a lot of scooching to make sure that we're even on each line. So this is going to be a nice back and forth. I think we're almost there though.
Much. It has a really nice seal on it.
Yeah, it's
nice
really
and
nice.
thick.
Cinch it down.
Okay. Yeah, it looks good.
All right, so now we've got it roughly in place. So now we need to carefully,
Yeah, not pinch any fingers.
not pinch any fingers, but also not move it.
Yeah.
Does it go this way? No. So we're gonna have to crawl in there.
It does.
Oh, it goes up one more?
It goes like up and over, I think, with the hinge. How it looks.
Okay,
I think so.
there we go. I just need my strong white.
Yep, I got it. Here we go.
Awesome. Woo, perfect. Now we're gonna do the 4 clampies.
Yeah.
These guys. That'll be fine.
Be okay.
Oh God.
Careful.
Yeah,
I know. That's why I'm like right here.
I know. All right.
Okay. That's interesting. Oh.
There we go.
Okay. So I'll make sure the bottom of it is in the bed rail, and then the top is up on the cover.
I know, that's what I'm hoping for.
Yep, it looks like you got it.
That one looks good.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna
Do a couple.
Yeah. All right. Yep, there than that.
All right, let's try that again.
Let's try this again. Yep.
Okay.
Do you have one under you?
Yeah, I do.
Give me that.
I need more hands.
Oh, this is not easy, that's for sure.
I know.
All right. You think you're on there?
As I'm gonna be, yeah. Go ahead and just tighten it a little so it doesn't fall off, and then we can. Yeah, that's feeling better already. A little.
Now we're gonna unfold the whole thing and then get the one handles that we have up here. We're gonna have to cinch those down too.
Yeah, those look really good.
Yeah. I can definitely.
Hot Wheels.
Huh?
I love Hot Wheels.
Yeah. All right. So one Mississippi. No fingers. There we go. And these are the handles that we're talking about. These guys right here, you have to adjust them to the bed height so you can clamp this back part down. Yeah.
Make sure your seams are good, because that one was funny last time.
Seams.
Where it folds.
It seems to be
Is it
fine.
level? Okay.
I'll have you come look, because
Okay.
I didn't know what it looked like before.
It was, instead of like this, it was like,
Yeah.
it was offset.
We also need to check the bed here.
Oh no, that's
Make
good.
sure that this closes right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we do these guys?
Yeah, I don't know. Instruction time.
Okay.
Probably need to compress it a little bit to get it in there, or are you just unscrewing it first?
I'm gonna loosen it all the way first. I just don't know. This way's loose, yeah. Here we go. Okay. There we
Got
go.
it.
Yep.
There's one.
Yeah.
Is it this way?
I don't know. Pick one and see what happens.
Sure. These are a lot nicer than I saw in the video too, because
Yes.
they're like a bicycle handle with some rubber on it. It's really nice.
It is really nice, yeah. So then this slides, and then, yep. And then pop.
I mean, I'll just sit on it.
Okay. Sounds good. So I make sure I'm turning this the right way.
I'm good. I'm just chilling here, you know.
Like you can turn it now.
So I think you have to pop it out and turn it
Oh.
to get it at the right height.
Oh, I
Does
see.
that make sense? Yeah.
Okay. So make it a little tighter. And then try again.
Ooh, I feel that in my butt. That's weird. That's a weird sensation.
This is a weird,
Design.
yeah.
I don't think it makes sense though.
Uh-huh.
So you want it, whatever is going to latch this down with my weight on it to seal it, which seems to be pretty good weight, you know?
I do one or two more twists. I'm just doing one at a time.
That's fine.
Oh, that one looks pretty good.
Felt that.
Yeah,
Ooh, okay.
I think.
Other side?
Yeah, other side.
Okay. Do-do-do-do-do. At least it's the same weight on each side.
It's true. It's tighter.
You can definitely have two people for this. It probably would be nice. But one person definitely could do this. We need to see how it shuts now.
Yeah. Well, I want to see how the things look first.
Oh, go for it, yeah.
Make sure
It's
they
not as tight as the front,
Okay.
I'd
I
say.
mean, this one looks pretty good.
Okay.
I can always make it tighter. This one's a little looser than that one.
Okay. All right, let's shut this bad boy now that we've got the back cinched down.
Yep.
And chancy hair everywhere, which will make it absolutely not waterproof. Hands down. All right, let's see. Oh, that's nice.
It's a little firm, but it's nice.
Yeah.
So you can put a little bit of silicone on
Yep.
it if it doesn't slide easy to
Yeah.
make it a little bit nicer.
But we're not worried about that because with time, that's going to start to
It will compress a
compress.
little. Mm-hmm.
So we're super excited though, because now we can figure out what containers will fit in here
How much stuff.
and how much stuff we can put in our little 5-foot bed.
I know. It looks tiny now.
Yeah. So there's definitely some daylight that comes through in there.
Oh yeah, I can probably show you.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
but it's one of those things like you need a cover for a truck, but you have to figure out which cover it works for you.
Yeah.
Because the HG was definitely good for us at first when we thought, 3 years ago when we got the truck. Yeah. We thought that'd be a good idea, but life has changed so dramatically just within 1 year.
I know.
For us. So we decided to get this one. We're super happy about it. The install was a lot easier. It's just kind of more like patience with finagling, making sure that you have the gaskets right and you're not over tightening things.
Yeah.
We're definitely going to go back and put the silicone stuff in it that they gave us.
Yeah, up in the front by the cab.
Definitely up in the front of the cab. You can see it. So I would say definitely do that. We'll be adding that later. But other than that, it was a pretty good install. And it was easy to get delivered. Highly recommend it at this point because definitely had good reviews about it in general from what I saw. And sorry, Chancey's doing weird stuff over there.
I know.
But we're excited for this, and we're excited to share with you at the beginning of the year what's happening for us in December. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hopefully it helps someone that needs to install this as well too. So until the next time, guys, we will catch you later.